R.D. Sharma, 10th standard, exercise 10.1, 29th sum. Prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A equal to 1. Previous year question CBSE 2023. Solution. Take LHS secant A into 1 minus sin A secant A plus tan A. Secant A equal to 1 by cos A replaced by secant A replaced by 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A. Secant A replaced by 1 by cos A plus tan A replaced by sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. Take LCM, denominator same. So 1 minus sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Numerator are using identity A minus B into A plus B equal to A square minus B square. So we get answer A square minus B square. 1 minus sin square A divided by cos square A. 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A. Cos square A divided by cos square A. Same term, so our cancel. We get answer 1, right hand side.